So today we're changing out one mod on the STI, and that's these side skirts. I picked up some from WX Daily. These are just straight, slick ones, so it's like straight all right here. Cause the ones I have right now have this little fin right here, and I don't know, it just kind of been bugging me. So, and plus we always hit it with our shoes, so might as well change it out and make it kind of a flat design. Cause honestly, why is there a fin right there? But yeah, when I picked them out, they look cool. But now I'm just like, I kind of want something different. So yeah, pick these up from WX Daily. And yeah, so let's just go ahead, take off these old ones, bolt on the new ones. So I picked up a bunch of screws and stuff for this from those. And yeah, so we're just gonna basically do that and swap them over. And I'll show you guys how they look after. But yeah. All right, now that we have the old side skirts off, let me open up the new box. Side skirt number one. Looks good. I'm not using none of this double-sided tape. I'm just gonna use the screws. Honestly, that holds it up pretty well. And you got some soft taps. So let's get the side skirt. Let's get the one that I actually need, the driver's side. So, yep. Let's go ahead and put this on. I will put some soft tappers. Now for these ones, I'll make bigger holes just to hold them on better. So, get something like this. Washer and screw, and then washer and nut, and tying it on there, and tying it again. And there you go. That's one side skirt complete. Don't judge me. It is a third car. Doesn't that look so much better without this? Side. Then we can do the passenger side. But yeah, again, I just use cell tappers right here. Pretty cool. And to nut and bolt on the sides, the corners. Just kind of hold it in there. It's not gonna go anywhere. Pretty nice, nice and tight. But yeah, just go ahead and throw it on the car. Ooh, look how naked it looks without the side skirt. easy install, guys. But yeah, it's gonna change it up a little bit better. Not gonna have any fin anymore, but let's just go ahead and put it on real quick so you can see how it looks. How does that look? I still need to put the clips on the bottom, but looks better. Less aggressive, I guess. But I think overall looks way better. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do the other one. I mean, let me put those. But yeah, definitely looks a lot cleaner. Watch, let me show you guys the before on the other side. So as you can see, it's just a straight side skirts. No more fin there. Straight. And then there you go. Straight here. Spat. And then you got this down fin and then straight. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks clean. Yeah. Way cleaner without that little fin there. Well, yeah, don't mind the engine bay. Yeah, definitely a cleaner look. Still sticks out. Still pretty aggressive. Matches perfectly with the body of the car. So, yeah. Well, let me just go ahead and finish putting the clips in, and then I'll do the other side. All right, guys. Well, there they are. Got both side skirts done. Yeah, definitely is good. A little bit better, just a smooth kind of body lines, nothing in the way right here. So it was an eyesore, so good thing I did this. It just looks better. Just overall it looks a lot cleaner. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, on to the next things. I do want to get, I've been thinking a lot of getting a duckbill carbon fiber trunk. Not getting rid of the spoiler, honestly. And plus, if I sell it, I have to sell it pretty cheap because this crap is all coming off. This definitely needs a new clear coat. So I'm thinking of getting a new trunk, and then while I have the trunk on there, get all this all fixed up. All the carbon fiber on this trunk. The backing, the wing, and all that. Just let them re-clear it again. Honestly, I like the look of this spoiler, but I don't know. I think a duckbill or one of those trunks, the side one trunks, will look pretty sick on this car. And I am gonna rewrap it this year. That's coming. So stay tuned for that because it's gonna be a totally different look color. Yeah, I don't know what color I should choose. Been thinking a lot, either red or blue. I don't know, but we'll see. Honestly, because I am gonna do the wheels white because I do want to eventually get some TEs, some white ones. But for now, I think I'm gonna powder coat these white, get these re-powder coated white, so that way they match the new wrap. So either red or blue. Not sure. I do want a darker blue, and I kind of do want a bright red or a dark red. So we'll see. I don't know. Overall, yeah, I just can't wait to get the car rewrapped again. I've had this wrap on here for almost 1.5 years. It will be 2 years once I rewrap the car, so it's long enough, honestly. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do the trunk? But I think the overall just kind of make it like a little, kind of like a sleeper kind of thing. I'm not gonna get rid of the spoiler unless someone offers me a good amount for, even though it looks like that. Because you can re-clear it, but you know, I think these spoilers now are like $2,200 brand new from APR. So definitely don't want to sell it because if I ever do want to go back, it's gonna cost $2,200. So yeah, so I should definitely keep that, huh? But yeah, overall the car looks good, guys. Definitely perfect, different look to the car now without the little flare. I'm just gonna wash the car and then go take some B-roll, and then we're done with the video. So stay tuned for the next videos, guys. Not sure when I'll get another video out. Still waiting on the Ray Motorsports radiator pipe, and I should be doing a video of that whenever I get it. Hopefully this year. Not honestly, it's probably gonna be next year. So yeah, that sucks. But oh well. Overall, the car is looking good, and I've been driving it a lot lately, just dailying it everywhere. I have put, I don't know, about 3,000 miles since I tuned it on E85. Been having a lot of fun. So honestly, yeah, it's not snowing yet, so I don't think I'm gonna put it away until it snows, because I definitely don't want to break anything on the car, because it is pretty low, not too low, but it's pretty low. So yeah. Well, overall, guys, let me know what you guys think of the new side skirts. If you definitely want some, pick some up from the STI. They sell a lot of stuff. That's where I got the hood. That's where I got some of the stuff on the car. Even Subi Speed selling. So, but the STI ones fit perfectly. So definitely take a look at them if you want some side skirts. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.